Hello, my name is Iordan Dunkov from company SoftGroup, Bulgaria, and my position is Head of Strategic Partnerships and Initiatives at SoftGroup.
My name is Mandrioli. I'm from Italy, Bologna. I'm working since 22 years in Romaco Group. My position is Product Manager and R&D Research and Development. We are manufacturer of a packaging machine.
Our company is an expert in pharmaceutical traceability solutions such as serialization, aggregation, reporting with regulatory authorities and connection with third-party systems. We provide the whole vertical of solutions from level 1 to level 5 traceability solutions.
We focus our presentation on implementation of track and trace solution on secondary packaging machine.
As Marco already said, first of all, into integrating our solutions together, and how can we add even more value into innovating the production process and actually optimizing it. We started working together, SoftGroup and Romaco, in 2019 for a Polish customer, and there we managed to achieve a very high productivity and to integrate in our traceability solution into Romaco equipment. So we achieved a really good result with very good overall effectiveness of the production line, and the client was very happy. The next year, actually, we won a prize on a pharmaceutical exhibition for pharmaceutical excellence. So that's why we realized that we can deliver more value to our customers in collaborating.
What Iordan said is the demonstration that two professional companies can easily cooperate to get customer satisfaction. The discussion was great, the audience also. We share opinions, how we implement it, how secure the function we have presented, how simple can be if well managed since the beginning to avoid further problem. We met all the company we are commonly serving, or we try to serve, and it was interesting, yes, meet each other and share opinion, knowledge, experience, and so on.
Yeah, it is a very good way to directly contact potential partners and customers. And since the whole event is well focused around our specific field of operation, I think they will be very productive.
The Congress has been well managed, well organized, very professional, and as Iordan said, focused on our core business.